Next question about this thing about burping a child. Why do parents burp a child? They burp a child, right, on the shoulders. Why do they do that? Any idea about it?
Actually, the reason behind is burping is a very important thing
Yes.
to digest the baby foods
Yeah.
or milk. Okay,
Okay.
when the parents
Yeah, brother.
doesn't burp their child,
Right. Right.
so in the result,
Hmm.
indigestion occur, and as a result, baby cry a lot in the night.
Amazing. Thank you. Some parents sing a lullaby
Yes.
to soothe a baby, right? They cry a lot, so they sing a traditional lullaby. We say Lori in Hindi language or Urdu language. So, do you personally do this, or I don't think so? Why do people do this kind of stuff? To sing a lullaby for newborn baby. I'm sorry, newborn
Yeah,
baby.
yeah, yeah. I think this is a tradition to our
Hmm.
country
Uh-huh.
to sing a lullaby to
Well
minutes
said.
or the children.
Very good.
So there are many lullabies in the book or you see online on YouTube.
Yeah.
So there are many lullabies
Yeah.
that Nani Teri Morni Ko Mor Le Gaya. This is a very